Yo, hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back, and if you're new, thanks for joining. Without further ado, we're finna jump right on into it. Now, this is about the leg game. We're doing the squats. Now, squats ain't about just building up your glutes and booty and all that. It's about overall stature, standing straight, walking, feeling good, all right? Now, these is the hack squats. The hack squats is what give you them teardrops right in the front of your leg, right above your kneecap. You do about 10 to 15 reps of these, 4 sets, you're gonna be straight, all right? And we're moving on to the glute kickback. Now, this right here is gonna have your running game nice and efficient. You wanna take slow strides with this because it's gonna work your hips and your thighs and your glutes at the same time. 10 to 15 reps, 4 sets. This is how you get your money, all right? So don't cheat yourself, treat yourself. Now, hey, I gotta laugh, man, because this right here, this exercise, I learned this style from some African ladies up in the gym I was going to a while back. This right here is like the butterfly for your booty. So, ladies, you better adopt this into your workout regimen, and I'm gonna pass it on to y'all right now. All right, so here you go, 10 to 15 reps, 4 sets. So this concludes the leg workout. Now I'm finna sit back, relax, eat my grapes, and sun gaze.
Jamal, man, this beat is crazy.